Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and it is Friday Junior! Friday Junior is here, basically aka Thursday. So you guys know what tomorrow is. Tomorrow is Friday. But that doesn't matter because according to Best MVNO, there's a pretty dope deal. So here's a deal alert for everybody out there who's possibly thinking of switching to Metro by T-Mobile, especially if T-Mobile works great in your area. You'll want to listen to this. It's actually split into two parts here because one concerns a device and one concerns a plan. So let's start with the device deal that you should be looking into. And that's if you're planning on switching to Metro by T-Mobile and you want to get yourself a decent iPhone, but you don't have enough money to get like the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 10R, you guys go for an iPhone 7. They're actually pretty solid. I know. I have one. So, deal alert, iPhone 7 going on sale for $49.99. That's pretty cool, right? And so, $50 for it. And I know Boost Mobile just recently lowered theirs to $29.99, and they got a Bogo deal going on in store. Get two iPhone 7s for $29.99 each, and that's in store only at Boost Mobile. For Metro by T-Mobile, they do got a Bogo for you guys too. Check this out. So $49.99 for the first one. If you open up a second line on your Metro by T-Mobile account, so you actually walk in the store and get two lines, buy the first iPhone for $50, you get the second one free. That's right, in-store instant rebate of $399.99 when you open a second line and you opt another iPhone 7 as well. So you can get two iPhone 7s, 32GB models, one for $50, the other one for free. Instant in-store rebate happening right then and there. Now, that couples along with the fact that you could actually switch, well not switch, but you can actually sign up, sorry, why did I say switch? Well, of course, you have to switch though to get that deal with the iPhone 7s. But then by getting a plan with Metro by T-Mobile, they do have the $40 unlimited plan. Now that I'm assuming this plan is to compete against Visible Wireless, who also offers unlimited talk, text, and data at $40 flat rate every month. So Metro by T-Mobile has theirs, which is unlimited talk, text, and data. Yes, there's data deprioritization, people. It's at 35 gigabytes. You could be slowed down if there is network congestion in your area. Now, here's the thing I really want to point out real quick before you guys rush in, go into the stores, and you guys hear that, yes, you can get a single line for $40, unlimited talk, text, and data, and you can get a two line for $65. That's gonna, okay, because trust me, I was about to run out right now and switch to Metro by T-Mobile when I heard two lines for $65. But I have some bad news on that, so listen up before you guys go completely bonkers, all right? This isn't the fine print. So, they have the unlimited plan. That's $40 flat rate, no, taxes and fees and stuff included. This plan itself is unlimited talk, text, and data. There is data deprioritization. If you surpass 35 gigabytes of data, you could be slowed down in times of network congestion. Video streaming is at 480p, so that's DVD quality. So some of you guys may be a little bit annoyed about that, but just about every MVNO is doing that. So here it is, the 2 for $65. So listen closely. Two lines for $65 on Metro by T-Mobile. But the two lines is one phone line and one tablet line, okay? So $40 for the phone line, unlimited talk, text, and data, and then an additional $25 for a data-only SIM card by Metro by T-Mobile. All right, so this is not two phone lines for $65. So if you were to, say you open up the unlimited, you chose the $40 unlimited, and you added a second line, I believe there's got to be discount there, so maybe you're going to be paying like, instead of two lines for 80, maybe be like two lines for 70 or two lines for 75. But if you add on, a tablet line coupled with those two lines, it's going to be $25 a piece, so that's $50 on top of that. Okay, so if it's just one line you're getting, and you get the iPhone 7 for $49.99, you get the unlimited plan with a tablet line, so that'll be $65. So you're looking at a bill about like $110, $115, just about. Yeah. Basically when you start out, okay? And I believe they have like a, if I'm not mistaken, I've gone in stores, okay? And in stores for Metro by T-Mobile, they do charge like an activation fee and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure if you talk your way smoothly, you can get those waived, but most people don't know that. So, you're walking in there, you're more than likely looking at $65 and then $50. So that's 115, and then let's say 35. So you're about looking like maybe walking in and walking out with those things, probably playing close to like $160 to start off with. Just ballparking it there, okay? Not specific, but still, it's actually still pretty good. And the reason why I say that is because like a lot of people are like, Visible charges only $40 for unlimited talk, text, and data. We need something like that within our area because T-Mobile works better than Verizon does. So this will actually be what you guys have been hoping for. It's a $40 unlimited plan that is obviously on T-Mobile. So therefore, you'll get better connection since T-Mobile works great in your area. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for the deal alert. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video regarding the iPhone buy one, get one free. That's actually pretty dope, the iPhone 7s. And they're the 32 gigabyte model, okay? So they're not the 256 or 128. It's 32 gig. Nonetheless, still pretty good, though. And then, of course, like the $40 unlimited, 2 lines for $65. That includes a 1 phone line, 1 tablet line. Guys, put your thoughts in the comment section of the video. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for checking out this deal alert. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, aloha.
Let me out. I'm stuck in your pocket.